Returning now to a legal case playing out in Ottawa. BC ostrich farmers are fighting back on an order to cull their birds. CTV's Judy Trinh is outside the courthouse with more for us this morning. So, Judy, walk us through what's expected to happen in court this morning.
Marcia, I'm outside the federal court in Ottawa, where in about 15 minutes' time, Katie Pisitny, who is the daughter of the owners of the BC ostrich farm, she will be in there with her team of 2 lawyers making the case for another delay as well to this culling order and possibly to have it put down completely. She wants this culling order removed, and the reason why she says that is that she says that her ostriches on her farm are now 182 days healthy, that they are no longer showing any symptoms of avian flu. According to what she has told us in an interview this morning, she says that it's clear to her that the avian flu has passed through the birds and that there is no need to do a mass culling. This type of a measure is what the Canadian Food Inspection Agency says is needed to be done because there were cases in dozens of the birds in her herd that were found to have avian flu back in December. Tests showed positive results in February. However, Ms. Pisitny says that they disagree with the findings because they don't agree with the test. They want the ability to conduct new tests, and that's what they will be fighting for in court this morning. Take a listen.
There should have been more testing. These animals, if they have a novel reassortment and we're a recovered flock, we offer so much more opportunity to Canada than we do live, than we do slaughtered. It would be something that we should be researching. How did we have such a novel reassortment and these animals are alive and doing well?
So Ms. Pisitny is saying that because of this novel assortment, because they have gone through avian flu already, this herd could prove valuable to research. However, scientists with the Canadian Food Inspection Agency are concerned because they have found a novel form of the virus in the bird flu in the bird samples, and they are concerned that it could actually spread to humans and other flocks as well. I should also point out to you, Marcia, that I asked Ms. Pisitny whether or not this will be the end of the road. Will she accept what the court orders today or tomorrow or in the next week? And she says no, that depending on the outcome, if it is not an outcome to prevent the cull order, they plan to argue this to the Supreme Court. So they will try to do that. Marcia.
To the Supreme Court. Okay, so Judy, one last point then to ask you about before you have to go. What about that offer from the farm in the U.S. to allow the birds to go down there? Where did that go?
The offer apparently still stands, but they're saying that's not something that's under consideration right now. Right now, what they want is they want to keep the ostriches on that farm. Ms. Pisitny says the ostriches are like family. They all have names, that she grew up with them, and that they want to keep the ostriches on the farm and use it for scientific research here in Canada. Marcia.
That's a lot of names. All right, Judy, thank you so much. Judy Trinh outside the courthouse for us. Please stay close. If something develops there, let us know.